I'm back, actually. I didn't have my mic on again. Oh, my goodness gracious. All right, so this is what we're doing. Kind of a leftover video, bonus video this week. Here's some potatoes that we baked in the oven, sliced them in half. We got some leftover chuck roast, smoked chuck roast from last weekend. Froze that for the week, unfroze it. There it is. Yum. And we're going to take that, we're going to stuff it in these, and we're going to put some cheese, some sour cream, and we haven't decided what other condiments we're going to put on there. But what I want to do is I want to get some of the salt on here. And I want bread. I want bread. I want bread. Who doesn't want bread, right? Unless you're on keto, you don't want bread. Salt. I want to put salt. I want to salt these with this little salt container that has salt in it. Right. It's kosher salt. I knew that. Look at it. It's really that simple. There's a pineapple. We bought that today. We're going to eat that sometime. I probably won't, but whatever. And we're going to do this on the Blackstone and warm everything up and eat it for lunch.
Yeah.
Man Kitchen Recipes. Hi, Kevin. Hi. Hi, Kevin. Look at it. Okay, so meet us outside and we're going to get all this going and we'll eat it. Peace. Hi. Let's put some of this down just because we don't want things sticking. People doing yard work today. That's rude.
Yeah, how dare they?
We are outside, right? Oops. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah. Here, honey, can you take that?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, let's see how this is. Let's see how this does. The neighbors are weed whacking. This is part of life when you cook outdoors. It's really not that big a deal. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some butter on that. Why? Because it's
Better believe it.
right on, Tori. Because it's butter, and I want to add some to it, like that, and like that. There's nothing wrong with that. It's real butter, okay? This is real butter.
Yeah, it's butter.
Let me grab those potato skins.
I guess you could.
Pardon me. Let's take these. Bam! Put them right down on there, just to get them a little crispy with the salt.
No.
Yeah.
You want some potato with this?
Yes, I do, actually. Whoa! Come back here. See this here? We've done this before, but not with the chuck roast. What did we do it with? Chili?
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah. Pardon me, please. Thank you very much. All right, let's just get this nice and warmed up. And then my plan is to warm up the beef and warm up these tater skins and get it all nicey nice, and then stuff them. It's really not that big of a deal. Yeah, that selfie stick comes in handy, huh?
Yeah.
We're stepping it up here at Poor Guy. We actually got a selfie stick.
I can extend y'all now.
Oh yeah, we are high tech. We are high tech poor people. Look at that. Oh, I can smell it already. You know, let that butter get in there. Get the butter nice and melty. When that gets a little bit warmed up, it'll shred a little bit better. Now, we made this chuck roast last week on the Oklahoma Joe. It's fantastic. Just fantastic. Look at it. So the butter's making it nice and juicy. Butter is making it nice and juicy. Okay, let's let that sit there. Let's see how these little tater skins, we're just gonna move these around a little bit. Ain't no big thing. Just to get them a little bit warmed up, a little bit crispy on the skins. Yeah. Okay, tell you what, come on back here in a little bit so you don't have to sit here and watch me warm up stuff. And I'll show you what they look like here in a couple minutes. So come on back if you would. That would be great. Much appreciated. Peace. All right, take a look. Things are cooked up nicely, warmed up nicely. That's all we're really doing. So let's take some of that and just pop them in these. We hollowed out quite a bit of the potato That's a little bit too much there. Yeah, it smells really good. You can still smell the smoke coming off the chuck roast, which is always a beautiful thing. Oh boy, hold on a second, everybody. Got a little carried away with that one. That's okay. That's okay. Looks like we'll just have a little bit of
Yeah,
leftover meat
that's right.
that we can snack on. That's okay, right?
Yeah, we like
I turned everything down to low. Let's taste it. Oh yeah. That warmed up nicely. That's really good. Let's get some cheese. Thank you, Tori. You're a great help.
Thanks.
Oh, okay. Now let's get a little silly with it.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, I mean, cheese is gonna fall over the edge. It's underneath here. And now I'm gonna get this cheese melted. And maybe some of that cheese that fell off the side here, I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop that onto the rest of the meat. You freaking eat that too.
Yeah, why not?
You know what I'm saying? Here's my lid. Don't mind it. It's a little dirty. Just on the outside. Sitting in the garage. Let's put that over there. Hey, you want to see my stickers and magnets, everybody? Here's all my friends. Yep. I got some more over here. Come over here too. I want to leave these folks out. That's right.
Yeah.
Those are my friends. Well, some of them aren't my friends, like Rochester, New York. They're not really my friends.
They're our best friends.
Oklahoma Joe's, they're my friend because he's right there. All right, let's turn this completely off. Wait for that cheese to get melty. Put them on a platter. Bring them in the house. And I'm going to take this meat that I am thoroughly enjoy eating, like right here. You want a piece?
Yeah.
Yeah, cheers, bro. Oh, good deal.
That's good.
Putting the butter on there? Wow.
Not
That,
any different.
yeah, that's freaking good. All right, gonna take a little bit. When that cheese gets melted, we'll put them on that platter. We'll bring them in the house. We'll slice them open, and we'll give them a try. Leftovers, potatoes, leftover cheese. Don't cost much. Be a nice little easy lunch on the Blackstone. Poor guy style. Hey, what's up, man? Peace. Peace. These things. Man, I'll tell you what. Look at this here, too. This was that leftover chuck roast. I just threw some cheese on there on the Blackstone. This had the butter on it.
Delicious.
That's so good. We got some little crispy pieces of that. It stayed moist and tender. Which one do you want, honey?
Oh, I don't care.
How about this one?
That's fine.
Tori, this one's for you.
Thanks.
You don't? That one's for you.
Oh, yeah.
This one's for me.
I love sour cream.
The ladies have sour cream. I'm going to go with a little bit of Hog's Bane barbecue sauce by Payne County Rust.
I'm going with Thorn.
And we're going to put that on the side there.
Thank you.
Let's give these a try. Does anybody need a knife?
No, I just use my fork.
Just use your fork. Let's go.
Oh, it smells delish.
Okay, I kind of fell out of there, but that's all right. I mean, that's a tater skin. Let's try this.
Always very simple.
Get some meat. A little BBQ.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good, good, good.
Wow. That is really good.
That's freaking delicious.
Really leftovers. Potatoes don't cost too much. Everything we had already. Did it on the Blackstone, easy peasy.
Freaking love sour cream.
That's freaking delicious. How is it with the sour cream?
It's amazing.
Delicious.
What do you think of the meat?
Oh, it's so
It's right
good.
on the money,
I liked
huh?
it with the butter.
Yeah, add that butter to it.
good.
I don't know. I just thought, let's add some butter to it. Give it some moisture. Yeah, it's really good. Give it a try. Throw potato skins. You do them the way you want to. Another one for you.
I'm hungry.
Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Peace.